most business verticals, bringing in digital marketing would help improve the efficiency of operations, advertising without any spillover, directly focusing on the audience most of the time in question, and simultaneously bringing down and lowering the costs of data. Digitizing the company or its business assets marks a radical shift towards automation and consequently a productive collaboration. This eventually maps up to the overall agility of an enterprise towards excelled productivity. If you were to ask me to define the behavior of today's consumers, I would summarize it as dynamic, sharp-witted, multitaskers, and highly bold and impulsive due to the number of choices coupled with the state-of-the-art technology. When you are a small business and the world gets increasingly competitive, identifying and winning over customers becomes a prerequisite. Hence, it is important to meticulously plan and build a well-conceived digital strategy. As you see, the perks are enormous and guarantee promising outcomes. The internet has penetrated to the last mile, with the majority of the world population accessing it through various devices ranging from desktop computers, laptops, mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. Your website is your presentation or the door to the world. It also showcases your products, services, and solutions. A website is an increasingly valuable component as it is the soul or signature of your business. It is your virtual store, and it not only profiles or helps you understand the online patterns of your visitors, but it also gives you complete control over the traffic, visits, and other things. In a brick and mortar store, that is not feasible, and that is the advantage a website brings. You may be an evangelist, a master in your own trade, or a champion in your own league. But if you do not have a website, let alone a good one, you may miss out on a good amount of business. The internet has shrunk the world to one place. It therefore has also proved to be an important channel for people as well as businesses to provide information and offer direct sales to their customers. Your identity is being sketched by your website, and it is the foremost signature of your existence. Evaluating the first touch point as a prima facie window to the world and the product can be of significant value. A website, in terms of its attributes such as navigation, accurate information, and price savviness and other things, is of numerous importance. Therefore, the experience with your website can eventually decide customer loyalty, engagement, and preference. Online buying behaviors largely depend on factors such as site navigation, upload time, picture qualities, a variety of features, and also transaction friendliness. There would be many factors contributing to the same, such as convenience, choices, navigation, and special offers. What's even more interesting is that brands can build and showcase their product attributes by generating content on a host of online websites, blogs, and social networks. Online communities are fast becoming excellent tools for operation and collaborative CRMs, leading to co-creation. For example, consider that you're booking a room for a vacation. While branding plays a major part in the highest recall, other differentiating factors such as ease of navigation on the property is on the website play a major part. There could also be other factors such as location value, printing, etc., and differentiation in terms of facilities, such as that for Make My Trip, Agora.com, etc. So what makes a website as important for businesses? A website can help in accomplishing your marketing strategy to achieve various business goals. A website helps in establishing your online presence and can help you market your business online. More than 2.7 billion people use the internet today. With such a huge customer base online, an absence of a website will surely cost you. It also helps you build greater awareness and influence. You can not only share more authentic information about your product or service via your website, but also build awareness and first-time impressions. There are different types of websites, from static websites to more complex dynamic websites to e-commerce portals and marketplaces. There can be many versions of a website. Some examples are Skyscanner, Trivago, Baidu, and Yahoo. One of the most important things is conversions. The purpose of a website is not just to get traffic or visitors, but to also generate conversions. Lastly, for small businesses and startups who want to make it big, it's easy to make a website and start a business.